Imagine setting up your dream workspace without confusion or stress. Organize teams, create channels, and control permissions with ease. Let's break it down. First, create a new team, your clubhouse for collaboration. Name your team and invite colleagues who share common goals. Add channels to your team. Each channel is a themed area for topics or projects, keeping everyone focused and organized. Set up permissions next. Decide who can enter each channel, post messages, and manage conversations, like handing out keys to specific rooms. Once your setup is complete, pause and take a breath. You've built an organized, secure space for effective collaboration. Remember, you're in control. Adjust settings anytime as your team grows and changes to meet new needs. With these steps, you're ready to empower your team to communicate, collaborate, and succeed confidently and with ease.